kill poison ivy the natural way, this DIY solution costs pennies. I hate poison ivy. Just looking at it makes me itch. Whenever I see it around our house, I spray it with my homemade poison ivy killer. After watching this video, check out the full details by visiting the link in the description. For those with children or pets, using weed killers often raises concerns. Instead, use my natural homemade poison ivy killer that's safe for your family and effective against poison ivy. In this video, we will cover the following 4 things. 1. A natural recipe for killing poison ivy. 2. When is the best time to apply this poison ivy killer? 3. Is it safe to use this DIY poison ivy killer in areas with pets and children? 4. Can this DIY poison ivy killer kill grass? Watch the video till the end to discover how to combat poison ivy in your garden. First, let's talk about my natural recipe on how to combat poison ivy. All it takes is mixing 3 common household items that you probably have already. The salt and vinegar in the mixture dry out poison ivy, while dish soap helps it penetrate the plant rather than just coating the surface. To make it, mix 1 gallon of white vinegar, 1 cup of salt, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap in a garden sprayer or spray bottle. Regular white vinegar works well, but for tougher poison ivy, a stronger vinegar like eucalyptus can be used. When handling stronger vinegar, wearing gloves and eye protection is crucial to avoid injury. After mixing the ingredients well, spray the solution directly onto the poison ivy. This is how the poison ivy will look after a day or 2 of being treated with this mixture. 2. When is the best time to apply this poison ivy killer? The best time to apply this poison ivy killer is on a dry day, ideally when it's sunny, to enhance its effectiveness. Spraying on a sunny day speeds up the process, with poison ivy beginning to brown within hours. Target the poison ivy directly with a sprayer to avoid killing other nearby plants or grass. 3. Is it safe to use this DIY poison ivy killer in areas of pets and kids? This DIY poison ivy killer is safe for areas where children and pets play. The natural ingredients ensure it's harmless for pets and kids, even if they come into contact with the treated areas. 4. Does this DIY poison ivy killer also kill grass? Be mindful with application. Excessive use can harm grass and plants. Focus the spray directly on poison ivy to minimize impact on surrounding grass and flowers. Before we move to more tips on getting rid of poison ivy, remember to like and subscribe to our channel, as well as turn on the notification bell for future updates on how to waste less time and money. Check out the full details of these amazing DIY solutions on our website, and we'll keep you updated on new ones. The link is in the description. Alright, let's talk about several common household products that kill poison ivy if you don't want to use my recipe. First on the list is vinegar. Vinegar is effective because it contains acetic acid, which can burn and kill the leaves of poison ivy upon contact. It's most effective on young, annual poison ivy plants that are still small. Avoid using vinegar in garden beds or near plants you want to live, as it can harm them. Second is salt. Salt is effective on poison ivy in non-soil areas like driveways, but can damage soil health if overused. Third is boiling water. Pouring boiling water directly onto poison ivy cooks them and their seeds, effectively killing them. Boiling water is a safe, immediate, and non-toxic method, but is not selective and requires caution to prevent burns. Fourth is dish soap. Dish soap enhances the effectiveness of other poison ivy-killing agents, but should be used cautiously around plants you want to stay alive. Fifth is corn gluten meal. Corn gluten meal prevents poison ivy seeds from germinating and is ideal for established gardens. Last on the list is rubbing alcohol. Rubbing alcohol is excellent for spot treatments, but can damage other nearby plants if not applied carefully. Choose a poison ivy control method that considers both effectiveness and environmental impact. Our DIY solution doesn't always reach the roots, which might allow poison ivy to regrow. Repeated applications can improve results. Even if the poison ivy appears to be dying after treatment, it is still not safe to touch. Poison ivy contains urushiol, an oily resin that can cause an allergic skin reaction. This resin remains active and can cause rashes and irritation whether the plant is alive dead or dying. Therefore, it's crucial to wear protective clothing, such as gloves and long sleeves, when handling or disposing of poison ivy. Always wash your hands and any clothing or tools that come into contact with the plant to prevent accidental exposure to urushiol. And there you have it. Killing poison ivy in a natural way, this DIY solution costs pennies. Please leave a comment if there is something we missed. Also, please like and share this video with your friends and family. See you on the next one!